I am Dr. Shailesh Nisal, practicing plastic reconstructive and cosmetic surgery since the last more than 25 years. I was trained in the same from Mumbai and later on visited Australia and the United States to learn more tricks, gain more experience with various cosmetic surgical procedures. What is tummy tuck surgery? Tummy tuck, medically called an abdominoplasty, is a body contouring surgery. So it improves the contour of your abdomen, the contour of your waist, for it to look more attractive, and the figure improves. The weight reduction part of abdominoplasty or abdominoplasty with liposuction is not the goal of the procedure. Outcome is measured by how good looking your trunk is at the end of everything settling down. Especially in the postpartum females, like after a couple of pregnancies, there is excessive skin and fat in the lower abdomen which hangs down or which is unsightly. Their self-image in the mirror is upset, and when they wear specific kind of dresses, it is not a good looking figure that they have. These are the patients who go for abdominoplasty where skin, fat, which is excess in the lower abdomen, is removed and the good skin tone is achieved. Abdominoplasty is of two types, a mini abdominoplasty and a full abdominoplasty. All these procedures now are combined with liposuction. So the parts of the abdomen which are not addressed by just excising the skin and fat is addressed by passing in cannulas and pulling out the excess fat, so that the contours are much better achieved. The main difference between mini abdominoplasty and a full abdominoplasty is that the umbilicus, the position of the belly button, the umbilicus is moved or not moved. In a mini abdominoplasty, only an ellipse of skin and fat in the lowermost fold of your abdomen is removed. The umbilicus remains at the same place. It only becomes a little oblong, which is not obvious. So, effectively, your belly button doesn't move from its position, but the excess skin and fat over the lower abdomen is gone. This is applicable to people who have a less significant deformity, and when combined with the liposuction to achieve a good contour of the waist, it is a rewarding and effective procedure. Against this, a full conventional abdominoplasty, a complete excision of skin fat is done, the belly button is dropped down, after the skin is pulled down, a new belly button, a new umbilicus is formed at its desired position. The precautions to be taken in tummy tuck surgery. 1. You should always reveal all your abdominal complaints before doing this procedure. Especially hernias have to be located. We also get imaging done to confirm that there are no hernias. If you know of any, they have to be revealed. You should increase the abdominal muscular tone before a tummy tuck for the best result. So abdominal exercises being done pre-operatively are very effective because the muscle tone will finally give the best contour to the abdomen. Wearing a corset is mandatory after tummy tuck surgery and the liposuction which is added to it. Liposuction results in channels where there is less fat and surrounding it there is excess fat. Also, the contents below the skin are reduced. So two things have to happen. 1, shrinkage of skin, and number 2, redistribution of the available fat so that there are no lumps felt at a later date. So, wearing a nicely placed pressure garment will give a uniform pressure all over, help in shrinkage of the skin and reduce a lumpy feel later on. The scar has to be attended by doing some massages. The scar of abdominoplasty is in a place which gets hidden in your underwear. But better the scar, the happier you are going to be. So the attention to the scar by the prescribed creams and massages helps.